Hello friends, my name is Prithvi Thombal and this is my presentation for the field placement 1. I did my internship in South Indian Express. It is a South Indian restaurant located in Bayfield, Berry. So let's talk about the hiring process there. Well, I saw an ad in Indeed for the team member in the restaurant and I applied for it. A few days later, I got an interview where I was among 4 to 5 other people and I was selected among them. It was a basic interview, regular questions. What time are you available? What are your skills and things like that. Mm. So let's talk about the 5 goals of placement. Well, for me, my placement was a good learning opportunity. The things I learned in class, now I get to apply it practically in the restaurant, like HACCP, the flow of food, stacking of refrigerators, critical control temperatures, temperate danger zones, things like that. It it was a good experience. Well, initially when I started as a team member, I was doing some basic things like I would take order, process payments, hand over the order, pack the food, and as I spent more time there, I began to learn new things and started taking over more responsibilities in the restaurant, such as I started to make dosa better, I started to make potato masala, chutney, sambar. Finally, I went on to become the cook also. I started to make dosas, panyada, muttapam. Uh, Normally, I would take opening to closing shifts from 4 o'clock to 12 o'clock. This would include many things like setting up the counter, starting the systems, the tablets. Ending time it would be washing the dishes, doing the garbage, and mopping the floor. So it was a good experience. These are some of the photos. This is the grill in which I used to prepare dosa. This is the stacked refrigerator with things labeled on it. So my recommendation for anyone who would like to do placement in a restaurant is that you need to be very quick, and in a fast food restaurant you need to be even quicker. So we need to learn to multitask. That's a basic thing, because many things are going on at the same time. Orders are coming in, you are cooking something on the stove inside, and you have to manage many things at once. And you the best thing I would say, you need to have a passion for genuinely interested in managing a restaurant, feeding customers, feeding people, and trying something new. Otherwise, it would be just another chore for you, which you would not like. Thank you. This was my presentation.